this is power feed motor, bracket, extension, and to remove it, just slides off like that. Basically, to install it requires holding your face right, but eventually it will slide on. So basically this is the motor hooked up, mounted, and give it 100%, and basically that's it moving inward. You can see it moves the cross slide in fairly quickly, but at 23% it gets quite slow, which is about the feed rate that I think I'd like. That's at 23%. This is the project case that I made or purchased and mounted the speed controller module in. And I've also got a double pole, double throw switch with a center off. So basically I can move the motor in or out by changing the position of the switch, and also stop it. Anyhow, that's about the slowest that I can set it. It's about 13%. And it is very slow, about a thousandth a minute, or a second is what the feed rate would be, but if I grab a hold of it, I can stop it because the motor loses some of its torque at 13% pulse width modulation. But for now, we're going to speed her up to 100%, let her feed in, because when I was cutting gears, basically it would get to where you could see the gap between the cross slide and the carriage base, where the cross slide moves. There it's just starting to open up, so basically there would be where it would stop. And now I've changed the switch and reversed it, so we'll just see in real time how long it takes to move the carriage back. To where it would pass through the gear cutter, and then basically I'll stop it as if I was making another pass. Give you an idea of the time frame. It's not real fast coming back, but it's not real slow either, and it's a lot easier on my poor little fingers and arthritis. Not complaining, but as one gets younger, things tend to change your look on life. So basically right about there is where I would say it would stop. Took about a minute, I think, but that was real time. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Have a great day.